In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a zoom transition in Hitfilm Express. To get started, I just added 2 video clips to my timeline that I'd like to put a zoom transition between. Let's begin by going over to the Effects tab. Type cross zoom into the search box. Drag the effect between your 2 clips on the timeline. Okay, and there we have a zoom transition. To make this look a little better, I'm going to go over to the Controls tab and increase the motion blur to 100. I'm also going to drag the edges of my transition inward to shorten its duration. Alright, this will look better now. Okay, and that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.